Here we discuss the numerical that is related to chapter AC circuit, that is the for the same RLC series circuit having the 40 ohm resistors, a 3 millihenry inductor and 5.00 microfarad capacitor. Find the resonant frequency, calculate the root mean square current at resonance if root mean square voltage is given. So here we find the first part, that is the first we write the given data, that is the resistor is given, resistor R is given, that is equal to 40 ohm. Inductance is given, that is denoted by L, 3 millihenry. Milli, that is right hand 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 Henry, and the capacitor value that is given, the C 5 microfarad. So micro we know that it is equal to 10 into minus 6 farad. So here we find the resonant frequency FR. Part A we find the resonant frequency, and we know the formula of the resonant frequency, that is equal to FR is equal to 1 over 2 pi under root LC. So here we know that the pi value, that is equal to 3.1416. Value of the inductance L, that is given 3 into 10 to the power minus 3, and C, that is given 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. So resonant frequency is equal to 1.30 kilohertz. That is the resonant frequency. Now we find the root mean square current at resonant frequency. Here we use the formula of the Ohm law, that is equal to VIR, and here we are using the value of the root mean square of the voltage and current. We find the root mean square current by rearranging the formula Vrms over R. Root mean square voltage, that is we find the B part, and B part root mean square voltage, that is given the 120 volt. Put it in this formula, that is the 120, and resistor R, that is given the 40. So put it here. So it is equal to 40, and the root mean square current, that is equal to 120 over 40, that is equal to 3 ampere. So here we find the root mean square current, that is equal to 3 ampere.